So with that, we also shift focus to the commodity space. We now have with us Vandana Bharti of SMC Global Securities, who's joining us on the show. Vandana, good morning. Thank you so much for joining in. Let's start with your view on, well, precious metals like gold and silver. How are you looking at trades here?
Hi, Adam. Good morning. Since 2016, we have seen there is a decline in precious metal prices in the month of September, and we are already into the month of September, and 17th September Fed meeting is scheduled, and 25 basis point cut is almost discounted, and in reaction with that, we are witnessing a pause in gold rally and silver rally, and today we can see there should be an extension in selling pressure in gold prices and silver prices. So I am a seller in this counter, and one should go for sell near the level of 71,550 for the target of 71,350 with the stop loss of 71,650 here. And dollar index is it has bounced back, and we have seen some upside move in US Treasury, which is also giving pressure on silver prices along with the fall in base metal prices. So silver is a clear sell here. Again, 84,350 is a good level to go for sell in silver for the target of 83,800 with the stop loss of 84,550. And I'm expecting that in international market, it should take support near $28.
All right. And what about crude, Vandana? How are you looking at trade here?
We can see a little bounce here because the triggers, they are not fully positive here. But yes, we are expecting that there should be some decline in gasoline inventories this time too. And if we find some kind of decline in gasoline inventories, it will give good impact on crude oil prices, positive impact. And today we have seen 50 cents bounce in international crude oil prices in NYMEX, and MCX is reflecting the same. So 62.20 is the level where one should go for buy for the target of 62.60 with the stop loss of 6200, and this is intraday trend, and near the level of 62.80 or 6300 we may find some kind of resistance there.
All right. And what about natural gas then, Vandana? How are you looking at trade there?
It is a very good commodity, and right now the risk is little low in this counter because it is almost trading in lower side, and US has said that they will cut the production of natural gas to put the balance between demand and supply. So 184 is a very good level for buy, and we should keep the target of 191 for the with the stop loss of 182, and one can go for positional buy in this counter for the target of 200. I'm expecting that it should touch the level of $2.25 in NYMEX, and this is a time ahead of winters we can make some long position in this counter.
Okay, so that's the view coming in on natural gas. Well, I believe we still can take Vandana's view on a handful of base metals too. Vandana, how are you looking at trade here?
Yes, zinc rally, it was overextended, and we have seen sudden fall in the prices. We are expecting some good data from US economy front, but China is still giving trouble to the base metal market, and because of that, the correction should continue in this counter. Even in copper, we can expect the fall of here 772 here in long term. And for intraday, zinc is a clear sell. 264 is the level where one should go for sell for the target of 260 with a stop loss of 266.
Okay, all right, Vandana, we leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us and taking us through your views on the commodities. Well, with that, it's an end to the futures and options space. A very quick look at the market right now, and what we're seeing is essentially